It's architecturally fascinating, it's functionally fascinating. It's a structure that has challenged humanity for over 2,000 years.
The physical basis of mind, thoughts, memory, feeling, reasoning.
Thomas Willis was a physician in Oxfordshire. He published several books, the most famous of which was published in 1664, which was Cerebri Anatomiae, and it was really the first modern and accurate anatomical description of the brain and the central nervous system. The authority on the anatomy of the brain throughout the next 150 years or so.
Our ability to understand the brain, our ability to sort of unpack neuronal function, I think has been really driven by our understanding of the structures, and in many cases to associate a change in human behavior with a change in brain structure. But I think what has really radically transformed our ability to sort of probe brain function, it's been very much driven by technology, our ability to record from nerve cells, our ability to measure in a non-invasive way both human and animal brain function. And I think for the first time it really allows us to work across disciplines. It's about actually integrating the humanities with the science.
I think the Wellcome Trust occupies a unique position in British life, arguably in the world, in having this kind of equal and self-reinforcing and complementary duality about its mission. We also of science and medicine.
It is a far cry from the
We've been on a tremendous journey, but arguably we've only scratched the surface. Understanding the brain gives us a neural circuit actually translates into a behavior of whatever kind. The most amazing thing about the brain, I think, is that it's to think deeply and profoundly about filmmakers, artists, as well as scientists, to really think about and ask the big questions about mankind, the big questions about society.
I sometimes think of it as a kind of metaphor for the ocean. So I think, there's a huge amount of hidden.
2,000 years ago was asking how is the mind attached to the body. We are asking that question still.